What is design? Design is the process of making ideas visible, making ideas work, and evolving them into solutions. During this process, you need tools to empower you along the way. Introducing Enscape 3.0, the easiest and fastest way to create real-time renderings by visualizing as you design. Our redesigned UI gives you the power to create immersive 3D experiences more intuitively. Streamline your design process like never before with a unified BIM modeling and visualization workflow. Present concept studies, explore design decisions, and iterate effectively. Benefit from being fully plugged into your model by seeing and solving issues live before they impact the final result. Collaborate with clients, contractors, and other stakeholders. Evaluate your ideas in real time and make better decisions faster. Choose from a growing collection of incredible assets or import your own to enhance realism, including brand new local assets such as vehicles and vegetation. Amaze clients with an unparalleled design experience. Illustrate how ideas become visible, then transform into reality. Used by firms worldwide, design intuitively with a tool that's with you every step of your design process. Enscape. Visualize tomorrow.